Welcome to Quantum Spectrum, and today we're going on a journey beyond our wildest dreams. Imagine a world where humans have ventured into the vast expanse of interstellar space. What would life be like? How would we survive? Buckle up, and let's explore this fascinating concept. Life in the cold vacuum of interstellar space would be unlike anything we've experienced on Earth. To protect ourselves from the harsh environment, we would live in self-sufficient space stations or massive spacecraft, complete with artificial gravity and life support systems. These vessels would be our homes, our workplaces, and our entire communities. In this world, traditional agriculture would be replaced by advanced hydroponic and aeroponic systems, allowing us to grow fresh fruits, vegetables, and even protein-rich plants like beans or chickpeas. Nutrient-packed food bars or meal replacement drinks could be another option, engineered to provide all the essential nutrients our bodies need. Living in interstellar space would undoubtedly have profound effects on our lives. The constant exposure to microgravity could cause muscle atrophy and bone loss, so regular exercise and specialized equipment would be essential. Additionally, the isolation and lack of natural environments might lead to psychological challenges, so virtual reality and simulated nature experiences could become vital for maintaining mental well-being. In this futuristic world, sports would evolve to accommodate the unique challenges of life in space. Low-gravity sports like asteroid soccer could be popular, where players use jetpacks to maneuver around a spherical field while attempting to score goals. Another option might be space gymnastics, combining the elegance of traditional gymnastics with the thrill of zero-gravity maneuvers. Traveling between space colonies or even to other star systems would require advanced propulsion systems, such as ion drives, nuclear fusion engines, or even the elusive faster-than-light warp drives. These technologies would enable us to traverse the vast distances of interstellar space in a fraction of the time it takes with current methods. Even with humanity's expansion into the cosmos, Earth would remain an important part of our heritage. Some people might choose to remain on our home planet, either out of a sense of duty to preserve its ecosystems or due to a preference for Earth's unique environment. Earth could also serve as a hub for scientific research, cultural preservation, and interstellar diplomacy. Interstellar colonies would be diverse and unique, reflecting the cultures and aspirations of their inhabitants. Some colonies might focus on scientific research or manufacturing, while others might prioritize agriculture or the arts. Each colony would need to be self-sufficient, with advanced recycling and resource management systems in place to ensure long-term survival. In this new world, we would likely see the rise of unique cultural elements. For instance, fashion could adapt to the space environment, with specialized garments designed for microgravity or radiation protection. New forms of music and art could be created, inspired by the otherworldly vistas of space and the endless possibilities of human ingenuity. Education in our interstellar society would be crucial, as we need to constantly adapt and innovate to survive in the cosmic frontier. Virtual classrooms and online learning would be the norm, with students across the galaxy connected via advanced communication networks. Lessons might include subjects like astrobiology, advanced propulsion, and space engineering, in addition to more traditional subjects. With the vast distances between space colonies, communication would be a challenge. Technologies like quantum entanglement or tachyon communication might be developed to allow for instantaneous messaging, transcending the limits of light-speed communication. Social life would undoubtedly be affected by the unique nature of interstellar living. Virtual reality and holographic technology could be vital for connecting with friends and loved ones, no matter the distance. Entertainment options might include virtual concerts, space-bound sports events, or immersive gaming experiences that take advantage of the unique properties of microgravity. The interstellar economy would be driven by the need for resources, technology, and energy. Asteroid mining and space-based solar power could be essential for supplying materials and power to the colonies. Trade between colonies would require efficient and reliable transportation systems, leading to the development of an interstellar shipping industry. As humanity spreads throughout the galaxy, new forms of governance and diplomacy would emerge. Interstellar governing bodies might be formed to address issues like resource allocation, territorial disputes, and the sharing of technological advancements. Diplomacy and cooperation would be essential for maintaining peace and fostering a sense of shared humanity among the stars. While life in interstellar space would present unique challenges, it would also offer unparalleled opportunities for exploration and discovery. Humanity would be able to uncover the mysteries of the universe, from the nature of dark matter and dark energy to the search for extraterrestrial life. The spirit of adventure and curiosity would continue to drive us forward, pushing the boundaries of our understanding and capabilities. The prospect of interstellar living paints a picture of a future that is both awe-inspiring and daunting. As we face the challenges of the cosmic frontier, we would need to adapt and evolve, creating new ways of living, working, and thriving among the stars. The journey into interstellar space would test our resilience, creativity, and ingenuity, but it would also offer boundless opportunities for growth, exploration, and the continued evolution of humanity. And as always, thanks for watching.